Welcome to my channel Car Auto, ladies and gentlemen. The engine block is one of the most critical components in the BMW Z4, serving as the core structure of the vehicle's internal combustion engine. In the Z4, particularly in models like the S-Drive 30i and the M40i, the engine block is engineered with precision, durability, and performance in mind. It forms the foundation upon which the entire engine assembly is built, housing essential parts such as the cylinders, pistons, and crankshaft. The materials chosen for the Z4's engine block are carefully selected to ensure strength while maintaining a relatively low weight, contributing to the car's overall balance and dynamic performance. Typically, BMW uses either high-grade aluminum alloys or a combination of aluminum and magnesium for the construction of the Z4's engine block, depending on the specific engine variant. For example, the B58 engine found in the Z4 M40i features an aluminum block that provides excellent thermal conductivity and a lighter weight compared to traditional cast iron blocks. This choice not only helps in improving the car's fuel efficiency but also enhances its agility by reducing the weight over the front axle. Despite its lighter construction, the aluminum block is reinforced to handle the high pressures and temperatures generated within the engine during operation. The internal structure of the engine block in the Z4 is meticulously designed. It contains cylinders arranged in an inline-6 configuration for the M40i, or an inline-4 layout for the S-Drive 30i. These cylinders are precisely machined to ensure tight tolerances, which is crucial for maximizing engine efficiency and longevity. The cylinder bores are often coated with special materials, such as iron or Nicosil, to reduce friction and wear, thereby improving durability and performance over time. This careful attention to detail ensures that the engine can withstand high revs and the associated stresses without suffering from premature wear. Another critical aspect of the BMW Z4 engine block is the integration of coolant and oil passages. These internal channels are strategically placed to facilitate efficient thermal management, ensuring that the engine maintains optimal operating temperatures under all conditions. Effective cooling is vital for performance engines like those in the Z4, as it prevents overheating during aggressive driving and helps maintain consistent performance on both the road and track. Oil passages ensure that all moving parts within the engine receive adequate lubrication, minimizing friction and wear while also aiding in heat dissipation. The crankcase, which is part of the engine block, houses the crankshaft and serves as a rigid structure that maintains the alignment of rotating components. In the Z4, the crankcase is engineered for both strength and lightness. BMW employs techniques such as closed-deck construction in some variants, where additional material is left between the cylinder walls at the top of the block. This design enhances the block's rigidity, allowing it to handle higher cylinder pressures typically seen in turbocharged engines like the ones used in the Z4. To complement the robust construction of the engine block, BMW uses precision-engineered fasteners, such as torque-to-yield bolts, to secure the cylinder head to the block. This ensures a perfect seal and optimal distribution of clamping forces, which is critical for maintaining compression and preventing leaks between the combustion chamber and the cooling system. The cylinder head and block must work together seamlessly, and BMW's engineering expertise ensures this integration is flawless in the Z4. The engine block also incorporates mounting points for various auxiliary systems and accessories. These include brackets for the alternator, air conditioning compressor, and power steering pump, among others. The placement and design of these mounting points are carefully considered to maintain the balance and minimize vibrations transmitted to the chassis, contributing to the smooth and refined driving experience that the Z4 is known for. Vibrational behavior is particularly important in a sporty convertible like the Z4, where maintaining comfort without sacrificing performance is a key objective. In performance-oriented models like the Z4 M40i, the engine block is designed to handle the increased stresses associated with turbocharging. The B58 engine, for example, features an integrated water-to-air intercooler within the intake plenum, which helps manage intake air temperatures more efficiently. The engine block's cooling passages are optimized to support this system, demonstrating BMW's holistic approach to engine design where every component is tailored to complement the others. Durability testing is a major part of the development process for the Z4's engine block. BMW subjects its engines to extreme conditions, including high-load endurance runs, thermal shock testing, and long-term road simulations to ensure that the engine block can withstand the demands of real-world driving. This rigorous testing regime helps BMW to deliver an engine that not only performs exceptionally when new but continues to do so reliably over many years of ownership. Another aspect that sets the Z4's engine block apart is the attention given to minimizing emissions without compromising performance. Advanced engineering solutions such as integrated exhaust manifolds and optimized combustion chamber shapes contribute to more complete combustion, reducing unburned hydrocarbons and other emissions. These features are part of BMW's broader commitment to combining driving pleasure with environmental responsibility, and the engine block plays a central role in achieving these goals. In summary, the engine block of the BMW Z4 is a masterpiece of modern automotive engineering. It is designed to be lightweight yet incredibly strong, capable of handling the immense stresses of a high-performance turbocharged engine. Its construction materials, internal architecture, and integration with other engine systems are all meticulously optimized to deliver the thrilling performance, smoothness, and reliability that BMW customers expect. Every aspect of the Z4's driving experience, from its rapid acceleration to its razor-sharp handling and its ability to cruise comfortably at high speeds, can be traced back to the robust foundation provided by its engine block. Through a combination of cutting-edge materials, precision engineering, and relentless testing, BMW ensures that the Z4's engine block upholds the brand's storied reputation for excellence. Please subscribe to my channel Car Auto.